Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone guys super power saving mode setting guys how can be off in our Realme phone. So once you have guys the same setting and guys you want to off and guys you don't know how to off it. So how can you off it? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so friends first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So friends how can you off it? So friends you can see there are two settings guys, add an icon, and as you can see set settings. So I don't click here guys click on this left side guys, the left side guys you can see this little icon like that. So I tap here, and as you can see this exit super power saving mode setting guys, you can see this notification guys, tap here to exit. So guys your super power saving mode will off in your Realme phone. So like that guys you can off guys your super power saving mode setting in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye. And before going please go and like the video.